What if I told you that becoming wealthy isn't about luck, talent, or even intelligence? What if the real difference between the rich and everyone else is just a set of daily habits? Habits so powerful they can transform an average person into a millionaire? Hey everyone, welcome back to the Notebook Nuggets. Join us as we dive into Steve Houghton's book, Rich Routines, in which he reveals the exact daily rituals of self-made millionaires and proven strategies that anyone can follow. And today, we're breaking them all down for you. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to reprogram your day for success. Let's dive in. The power of rich routines. The wealthy don't leave their success to chance. They design their days with precision. Steve Houghton studied hundreds of self-made millionaires and found one shocking similarity. They all follow structured, intentional routines. 1. The 5 a.m. rule. Most millionaires wake up before the world to maximize productivity. 2. The 60-minute morning ritual. Exercise, meditation, and goal setting set the tone for the day. 3. The not-to-do list. Successful people avoid time wasters like mindless scrolling and unproductive meetings. Think about it. If you control your morning, you control your life. The wealth-building habits. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. What exactly do rich people do differently? Houghton breaks it down into 5 core habits. Habit 1. Relentless goal setting. Millionaires review and rewrite their goals daily. They use the 90-day sprint method, focusing on short-term, high-impact objectives. Habit 2. Automated saving and investing. They pay themselves first. At least 20% of income goes into investments. They use the 3-bucket system. Freedom bucket, investments. Security bucket, emergency fund. Dream bucket, guilt-free spending. Habit 3. Time blocking for high-leverage work. The rich don't multitask. They deep work in 90-minute sprints. They delegate, automate, or eliminate low-value tasks. Habit 4. Continuous learning. They read at least 30 minutes a day, biographies, finance, self-improvement. They attend masterminds and hire coaches. Habit 5. Nightly reviews. They reflect on wins, losses, and adjust for tomorrow. They use the 3 wins rule, identifying 3 things they did well each day. Notice a pattern? The rich don't just work hard, they work smart. How to start your rich routine. Step by step. Okay, enough theory. How do you start? Here's your 7-day challenge to install these habits. Day 1-2. Master your morning. Wake up 1 hour earlier. Spend 20 minutes on exercise, 20 minutes on reading, 20 minutes on planning. Day 3-4. Set up automated finances. Open a separate investment account. Automate at least 10% of your income into it. Day 5-6. Implement time blocking. Schedule 1 90-minute deep work session per day. Eliminate one time-wasting habit, social media, unnecessary meetings. Day 7. Launch your nightly review. Write down 3 wins before bed. Plan tomorrow's top 3 priorities. Boom! In just 7 days, you'll already feel like a different person. The mindset shift. But here's the truth. None of this works without the right mindset. The rich don't just do things differently, they think differently. 3 mindset hacks from the book. 1. The 10x rule. Aim 10x higher than you think possible. 2. The no excuses policy. Take 100% responsibility for your results. 3. The millionaire mentality. Believe wealth is your birthright. Because at the end of the day, becoming rich isn't about money. It's about who you become in the process. So, are you ready to transform your life? To finally take control of your time, your money, and your future? Then start today. Pick one habit from this video and commit to it for the next 7 days. And if you want the full breakdown, grab Steve Houghton's book, Rich Routines, link in the description. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, which habit are you implementing first? See you in the next video, where we break down even more wealth secrets. Until then, stay disciplined, stay focused, and stay rich.